So, today is the 27th of April, and on the 25th of April, I reviewed my XOS Rocket Racing Michael Rotor over here. And today, of course, on the 27th, I'm reviewing my second Eric Breaker, with, of course, Rocket Racing version. And this won't be coming out until the 3rd, because I've reviewed so many cars in between then, like, I don't want to, like, compile them into one whole, like, scourging like 2 per day, because people do say that is too many videos, and I do apologise. Going back to 1 a day for now. But yep, I did recently get hold of my second Rocket Racing Eric Breaker, as you can see. So now I've got 2, and I have every single Rocket Racing Vietnam variant open, because I know there is China variants of the Rocket Racers that are extremely hard to get hold of. But yeah, of course, these were originally found in, I believe, Canada stores across the US, or in Canada, don't know why I said US, in France, and I believe Australia. Now they are finally hitting UK stores, and those stores are the Entertainers. I'm really glad, because now, apart from the 2021 cars, these were the last 3 cars that I needed in my collection. So without further ado, and before my throat completely goes, let's start this review of Rocket Racing, or Eric Breaker with Blastwall. He's made by Mattel 3+. We've got the, of course, Try Me with the rockets here. There's the blast wall. There's the name tag. There's his artwork, which does look okay. Of course, we've got the back. We've got the back here, or Eric Breaker with blast wall in a bunch of different languages. There's this tiny, tiny, tiny little artwork. Looks pretty cool. Got 2019, made in Vietnam. So, I did actually rant on how bad the Rocket Racing Michael Rotor was, but it actually wasn't that bad. Without further ado, let's go into ×2 speed and unbox Eric Breaker. So here is Rocket Racing Eric Breaker now out of the package. But before we take a review of him, we've got to take a look at his blast wall, because people will moan if I don't actually show it. It's just a piece of plastic, pretty much, with a sticker. I do like the green and the number 5. It looks pretty cool. And on the other side, there's nothing. And on the inside, there's nothing, just a sticker. But yep, there is that. We're going to leave this in the background for now. And here is Eric Breaker, the normal version. I'm going to move him over here. And here is his Rocket Racing variant. So on the front, we can see the usual next-gen expression. And there's a chip right there. Glad I opened this one now. Of course, we've got the fenders, got the usual next-gen expression. They could have changed it up for this line, I'm just saying, Mattel. Lights. On the hood, it is blue instead of like yellow and blue. XOS Eric Breaker EB. Pretty cool. XRS. We've got the lights here, which look pretty decent, I guess. Number 5 on the hood. Got these like rivets here. Synergy there, pretty cool. On the side, we got XOS and this 5 going across. It looks like the Storm logo, which I guess Mattel run out of ideas. Piston up, commercial carbon cyber and Synergy all along on the bottom. And I did rant on Michael Rotor how bad the decals were. They're actually really, really clear. Props to Vietnam. Lightyear rims and this Rocket Racing, of course, wheels. And here is the rockets on the back. You can see that, work. Synergy, Eric Breaker. 5 XOS EB. And the flames. Here's the base. Made in Vietnam. And let's test him. He does look pretty cool. Here he is next to his Diecast. Just a quick comparison now. Pretty much the same, to be honest, except for the back. It's not yellow anymore. And here is another variant, which I unfortunately do not have a second one of yet. Is the Endurance one, which looks pretty cool. Do like the reflecting paint. Here's all the XOS racers now, except for Ed Truck and George Newen, because I don't have an open George Newen yet. Or, well, I do actually have an Ed Trunk, but can be bothered bringing him down. There is quite a lot now. If you guys are new, so make sure you smash that like button. Of course, subscribe as well. Hit the bell notification down below. Of course, to the next one. Peace, guys.